Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through Iwave's newest version of the Iwave for Salesforce integration. This version keeps the same great scoring capabilities but has a new look and feel, includes some new data, and allows you to create Iwave screening projects directly from Salesforce. Let's get started by going to a contact. I'll use Abigail as an example. So as you can see, we still have the same score information, but with an updated look and feel. We also provide a little bit more data, including the common name score, primary affinity score, and secondary affinity score. The functionality itself has not changed. You can still click on the Get Current Score to get a new score, Create Profile to create a profile in Iwave, and Link to Profile to reach an existing profile. You can also score and create profiles using the list view for under 200 contacts or leads. If you have MPSP and giving data, we can also provide our Iwave Insights along with RFM score data. Insights is displayed as a badge at the top of the score detail. You can see here that Sheldon is listed as a distinguished philanthropist. Our newest offering is our Iwave Screening App, which is now included in our Iwave for Salesforce package. This app uses reports to create a screening project within Iwave. To get to it, simply go to the App menu and find Iwave Screening. Here is the Iwave Screening Project dashboard. To create a project, all you have to do is type in the name and choose one of the selected reports that you have created. If you haven't created a new report, simply click here and it will take you to the project folder. There are two templates that are provided with this, one for leads and one for contacts. I will choose the contacts report for this purpose. Simply hit the edit button, and while leaving the columns the same, you can go into your filters and choose whatever you would prefer to narrow down the list for your screening project. When you've completed that, simply click on Save As, and it will create a copy of the report with your new filters, and you can name it whatever you'd like. I have already created one myself, so let's go create a project. So I'm just going to name my project, and I'm going to choose the report and click the Create Screening Project Request button. As you can see, this has been successfully processed. And all you would need to do is go into your screening project requests, where you would find your project, and you will be able to see details, including the Iwave project status, and eventually the amount of scores processed, etc. You will receive an email from Iwave when your project has been validated and is ready for processing. You would log into Iwave, go to the project list, and you will click the Ready to Process link from the status. Simply approve the settings chosen and hit Submit. Now the project is processing. When the project completes, that information will be sent back to Salesforce, and an automated process will process all of the results to store in Salesforce. An example of this is the screening project request. You can see the project status is complete, how many scores were processed, and all of the processed scores from the results file are now underneath. That would be for each contact and is related to each contact. This will cover all of the updates for our newest version of Iwave for Salesforce. Thank you very much for watching.